guys, today in the video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the wing mirror on the Audi A3. A simple step that you need to be doing. First of all, you need to bend the mirror backwards. As you can see, the glass is this way. See, all you need is to pick up one of these tools if you haven't got it already. Pick it up from eBay. I'm going to leave it in the description. So you want to put it that way and pull it, but not too hard because you can end up breaking it. So you need to wait until you hear the click. Unfortunate that the click didn't go with that one because it came out already. So I need to do this one as well. There we go. And you got one more at the side. And the other side as well. Oh, end up breaking it. I have to tilt it back that way then to get it out. There we go. So that bit is finally out. That's the first bit then came out. There we go. Fully out now. So I have to take my time up to pull this out because of the wires. It's got tangled up. So unfortunately I'm not even going to take these off. They're going to save me a bit of time, but you can pull these out. It's very hard to come out. So you got one long screw that's going to be inside of here. So we're going to be pushing it right in the middle and start screwing it out. It's going to be a very long screw right here. Then you just take this out from there. I'm gonna keep this screw safe in a safe place in my pocket. The main thing that you need to worry about is to take out these 4 screws. That 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. So first of all, you need to take out this screw right here. I'm going to be leaving everything dangle right now. Take out the other screw from this side. I'm not going to be needing this right anytime soon again. And one all the way at the bottom this side. Trying to get the magnet to take it out. There we go. Take up this one as well. Come on. Not gonna lie, this is very difficult doing it when it's cold. My hands are all freezing off right now. And the other screw right on this corner side. It'd be so much easier if I did take the mirror out, but I chose not to. Oh, the screws dropped in there. But it's fine anyways. I will take it out when I'm ready to put the mirrors back on. Make it easier to see the clips behind there, which I'm going to be doing that right now. Or if you don't want to be taking the clips off, you could take the whole thing off at the front, which there's many clips around the back, so I think it's still be easy doing this way. I'm doing it anyways. Let's drop that on the floor. And take out this side now. There we go. That's the final piece. So now to take out this front unit. So you have one clip there, one more clip there, and there's another one right in that corner that you can, so it's very hard to see. And then you have another one right there that you need to clip downwards. So what you need to do is just, the flattest screwdriver is the best thing to use, but unfortunately I don't have one on me right now. So you unclip it that way, do the same thing that way again, and then you want to do the same thing this way again, and then do that one. Everything's out like that. All you need to do is get the clip, find the clips for it, the top unit now. So you have one there, one here, and there's another one all the way at the back right there. There we go. Shouldn't be that hard to take off. There's one clip didn't get taken off, which is the far back one, which I barely can see right now. There we go. Yep, there is no damage to it. And the next step should be very simple. All you need to do is take this bit off, which is the indicators. So you got more clips to be taken off again. You have one here, another one in the corner. There's going to be more again in the far corner. There should be, and there you have a screw at this side. There we go. Up. And still too tight. Once you do the first clip, the second clip, the third clip, that's all the way at the back right there. You need to unscrew this side, and then you finally got this bit out. So you don't need to use any more tool right now. So all you need to do is to take this bit out for the indicators. It's a bit of figure to get these out, to be honest. There we go, and that's it. Pretty much you need to get this screw out and put it in the new one because it doesn't come with any screw. Screw it down as close as possible as you can. Then you do the clip back in this side, clip it in, there we go. Oh, turning the wrong way at this moment. And the next thing that you need to do is to clip it back in. That shouldn't be hard. It's simple to clip in, but it wasn't that easy to clip it out. Then all you need to do is screw it back in again. You need to make sure that it's clipped in properly. Yep. Oh, not as close as possible. So I'm going to unscrew it back again. There we go. I think that's in now. Yep. I think I've done it too tight before. Before you even do anything else, you need to go in the vehicle and check that the lights are working first. So put the light back in the position right there. There we go. Voila. This side is working. I'm gonna go over the other side as well and make sure this side is working as well. So the same procedure that you done over that side, you need to be doing over this side. So both of them have been installed. So all that's left is to do is just to put everything back together. Okay guys, now as you can see, everything is all fitted up. So I'm gonna need to clean those mirrors. My fingerprint is all the way around it. So you got the right hand side has been completed now, and all the indicators is going off. That show that everything's working. There is no damage or anything like that. That's on there, that's new. Those are just old scratches. So now we're gonna go on the other side to check it out. So this side is all fitted up as well. Some of these shit doesn't look licked. Making sure everything is alright. There we go. It's all good now.